Don't pretend like everything is fine when you are with the person. Then behind the person, you are complaining bitterly. Today, we are going to be looking at the topic, rebuilding trust in a romantic relationship. This video is a continuation of the video I made on Love is Not Enough. If you have not seen that video, please do well to watch it. In that video, Love is Not Enough, I stated that one major ingredient that is needed while establishing or building a relationship, a romantic relationship that could possibly lead to marriage, is trust. In that video, I said it is easier to build trust than to rebuild trust. That is, if you are getting to know someone and you are getting to know yourselves in that relationship, it is easier for you to learn to trust each other than to rebuild your trust for each other when that trust was broken. In this video, we are going to be looking at how you can rebuild your trust that was broken. The measures I'm going to be listing here can also be applied to any other relationship. Don't forget, I mentioned in that video that trust is needed in any relationship whatsoever. Whether a romantic relationship that could possibly lead to marriage or any relationship, trust is needed. So the measures I will be listing here, you can also apply them to any other relationship. The first one is willingness. One way you can rebuild your trust in a relationship is willingness of both partners. Willingness of the people involved. You must be willing. Two cannot work together except they agree. If one person is willing and the other person is not willing, it's not going to work. It simply means the both of you are not compatible. It will not work. So the willingness must be from the two of you to work on that relationship. The willingness must be from the two of you to make the relationship work. That's number one. Number two, communication. Don't forget, we are looking at how you can rebuild trust in a relationship. Communication. Communication is the key. Talk about it. Bring the matter, whatever it is, bring it to the table. Personally, I don't like a situation whereby I will offend someone and you cannot tell me. Instead of talking to me, you are going about discussing the matter with other people. When I say communication, communicate with the person involved, not with other people. Don't pretend like everything is fine when you are with the person. Then behind the person, you are complaining bitterly. Bring the matter to the table. Rub the mistake on my face. Let me know my mistake. Even though it was intentional, it was not intentional, let me know. Number three, accept your faults and apologize. Accept your fault and apologize. Some people are too big to own up or to accept their fault. They want to justify it. Don't justify anything. You are calling it a mistake and you are justifying it. It doesn't make it a mistake anymore. That means it was intentional. Accept your fault and apologize. Some people don't know how to say I am sorry. They can do things, buy you gifts to show that they are sorry, but they will never say it. This time around, say it with your mouth. Let it come from your mouth that you are sorry. Even though you are going to buy the person gifts to show that you are sorry, say it from your mouth. Don't be too big to say it. If you were not too big to make that mistake, why are you feeling too big to say I am sorry? Why are you feeling to own up to your mistake? Accept your mistake, accept your fault, and apologize. Number 4, keep an open mind. Keep an open mind. Move away from the situation. Move away from what has happened. Let the slate be clean. Let the board be clean. See it that you are starting afresh. That is why you have to discuss about it in the first place. Because if you do not discuss about it, even if you are saying you have forgotten about it, you will not totally forget. Something will happen and the matter will be fresh again because you never talked about it. When you talk about it, you can easily keep an open mind after talking about it. Keep an open mind. See that you are starting afresh. Number 5, believe that people can be trusted. If there were not trusted people, the word trust wouldn't have been in existence. It's in existence because it was used on people, is being used on people, and it will be used on people. So believe that people can be trusted. The fact that someone did something doesn't mean the person cannot change. The only constant thing is change. Believe that people can be trusted. Number 6, make commitments. Make promises. Some people will tell you, promises are made to be broken. Why are you saying it from that perspective? Yes, people break promises. But promises are initially made to be kept. The intentions for making promises is keeping them and fulfilling them. So see that promises are made to be fulfilled, to be kept. Don't see it from the perspective that promises are made to be broken. Be committed to yourselves. Number 7, do not do anything you cannot explain or you cannot own up to in the presence of your partner. Don't do that thing behind them. Anything you are eventually going to keep to yourself as a secret simply because you cannot own up to that thing, don't do it. Don't get involved in it. Because we have secrets as a result of the things we did we cannot own up to openly. So if you cannot own up to that thing openly in the presence of your partner, do not do it behind them. Like I said earlier, these measures can also be applied in any relationship. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not.